Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup tutorial and today we're gonna be focusing on liquid lipstick. Now liquid lipstick was so popular, this video is just a few little tips and tricks to maybe help some issues that you've been dealing with. And I'm just giving you guys some helpful tips if you would like to know it. So today I am going to be showing you how I apply my liquid lipstick. Personally, there is no such thing as applying liquid lipstick perfectly. And I usually always mess up. But I do have a few tricks that help me clean up my lips and make them look perfect. So let's get started on this tutorial. A key step in having a flawless lipstick application is making sure your lips are well prepped. Making sure your lips are clean of makeup before you start. The first thing I like to do before applying lipstick every single time is exfoliate and moisturize. Gently exfoliate our lips using coconut oil and sugar. Use your finger to gently exfoliate your lips in a small circular motions. Sugar is an effective natural exfoliant. When mixed with coconut oil, it becomes a great moisturizing lip scrub. If your lips are not sensitive, use a small children's toothbrush to get the same impact without hurting, and then remove with the help of a wet face washer. Limit your lip exfoliation routine. Once a week it's good. This is enough to remove the dry skin and to help maintain soft and supple lips. And the next step is going to be a lip moisturizer. I'm using Chanel. This is my favorite lip moisturizer. Guys, always apply a lip moisturizer before applying your lip color, or no matter what type of lipstick you use. If you decide to use a matte color or a lip color, then apply a heavy layer of lip moisturizer before applying your lipstick. And look for a lip moisturizer that contains a sunscreen with at least SPF 15 protection. Sometimes I'm using coconut oil. This oil is solid at room temperature, so it is similar to a lip balm. Then all you do is wipe the excess products. Now my lips is nice and smooth moisturized, and I'm using a Kiko concealer. Looks like a pen. It's so cool and easy to apply. Sometimes also I will recommend you is just to apply a foundation or concealer in your lips before you put the lipstick. I'm applying a concealer to the edges of my lips before I will apply a lipstick. And also this is a trick to stay long your lipstick. And don't forget to blend out the concealer, and I'm using a mini sponge. Today I'm using Devore lipstick. The number is 1. And not every liquid lipstick is going to have the same formula. So you might encounter one that's going to dry out your lips intensely. So you can see what I'm doing. Take the applicator out and then kind of wipe off the excess. So I'm always start in the center of my bottom lip and just work in my way outwards. I usually start at the Cupid's bow and I work my way down. And it is always good idea to give your lips a little scrub before you apply a lipstick. And if you are tired of always messing up when you apply your liquid lipstick, this is the right video for you. Now I go from the outer corner and I'm dragging that downwards, connecting that bottom line, and repeat that on the other side. And I will follow my natural lip line. When you are working in the corner, you want to be mindful to not overline this very far. If you want more natural look, because this is where it can start to look artificial. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my entire lip. Again, the first thing you always want to do before you apply a lipstick is moisturize and exfoliate your lips. Make it sure before applying your liquid lipstick, your lips are completely dry, no leftover lip balm. You need to completely dry the surface. And if you are a beginner, even if you have a shaky hands, it is just take a little bit practice, okay? And figuring out what your favorite lipstick. So this is a simple way to apply your liquid lipstick. And if you do this technique, your lips will not be over dried, crack, and your liquid lipstick will last the whole day. And I wanted to share with you guys, everybody knows liquid lipstick, it's not easy to remove. It gets really messy, so what you want to do is take some sort of oil products. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.